Hi, it's Vic. Welcome back to my channel. I have a really lovely floral card today using Sunny Studio stamps. So I've just started colouring in the flowers and I have all the Copic markers listed down below if you're interested. I decided to use some pretty pink colours because I think they just look so pretty on the stamps. I usually start with the darkest colour and then work towards the lighter colours. And now I'm going ahead and just colouring in all the leaves using some yellow-green colours. And this colouring is really simple. I think there's probably about 8 Copic markers that I used. And now I'm just going to go back over some of the flowers and leaves just to add a bit more shading. And now I'm going to go ahead and fussy cut all these images out with my scissors. Now I've got the Sunny Studio Stamps Frilly Frames Eyelet Lace die, which I'm going to be using some Paper Mill Direct Super Smooth card, and I didn't use the middle bit of the die, just the outer piece, and I'm going to be ink blending up this card to make it a soft pink colour using some Distress Oxide inks. And now I've got the Sentiment Best Wishes from the same stamp set, and I'm going to be heat embossing this onto a piece of vellum using some white embossing powder. And I'm just going to trim this down with this little Fiskars trimmer. I've had this since I've started card making and it's lasted me so long. I love it. And this card base is Paper Mill Direct and it's the pale turquoise, and I'm just going to go ahead and add some double-sided tape to the back of this piece, and then I'm going to adhere it down onto the card base before I start trying to place the flowers onto the card. So I'm just deciding where to put everything on the card, and sometimes this comes really easy to me and sometimes it takes me ages. And to make sure the vellum sticks, I've added some double-sided tape to all the flowers and the leaves, so when they are touching the vellum it will stick down. And I've just got some uniquely creative sequins here, and I couldn't find my pickup tool, so I'm using some PVA glue and just my finger just to gently push the sequins down. And then after that I'm going to go and use my Nuvo drops in Simply White to finish the card off. And now the card's finished and all complete. Thank you so much for watching.